A significant leap forward in the progress on the red project was made today when I finally got around to arranging installation of the front windscreen. It was surprisingly straightforward. All I had to do was actually contact the guy and arrange a time. And if anyone's curious, that rubber strip and stainless steel gutter is unique to Australia only. Well, at least that's what the EPC says anyway. That was on both of my cars, so I ordered it when it was time to reinstall the windscreen. Next, I went ahead and installed the wiper, which I have lubricated, and it's quite happy in operation now. You might notice that it's also black now. I don't really like the original grey. I think black looks better. The facelift cars, I believe, had black anyway. That's just a personal taste thing. I went ahead and installed all of the remaining plastics at the bottom of that windscreen. I have coated it all in 303 protectant because I didn't like the appearance of it. It's not quite up to par with the rest of the car now, but you can't really see it once the hood is closed anyway, so I'm happy nonetheless. The next things I will do is installing those side trims. I haven't done that today because you have to install the grippy things in the roof rails, and I want to be careful not to damage the paint. Since the car is now sealed, I can go ahead and spray all of these spiders and other things that are living in here. I went ahead and did that on the nests specifically, and then I went ahead and basically emptied an entire can of bug spray inside the interior of the car. So hopefully that will get rid of everything that is living inside, and hopefully it doesn't discolor my roof lining. We shall see. I've left it for now, and hopefully there's nothing crawling around in there, ready to bite me next time I work inside that car. I did get bitten by a spider yesterday, but it's obviously nothing deadly because all it caused was a mild allergic reaction. As you can see, there is a nice cloud of spray in there. If there was a human in there, I don't think he'd be alive for too long. Obviously, you don't want to do this with a battery connected because that is flammable. One spark and this car would probably explode. But it's got no power, so it's pretty safe. I hope so anyway. If anyone's curious, this is the yellow 123 wagon. This project was pretty much cancelled because a better one was found to restore. It's unknown what the owner will do with this car. As you can see, it's not running particularly well, but it doesn't have to. Its fate is basically undecided at this stage.
Well,